Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add text on TikTok. Sometimes you might want to add some text to your video. It will be much more easier for the viewers to know exactly what they are looking at. You can simply describe a video by adding a text on your screen. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To add in a text on your TikTok video, the first thing to do is open up your TikTok app from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and you'll end up in the camera screen. Record or upload a video of your choice. You can record a video by pressing on the red record button at the bottom, or you can simply upload an existing video. In my case, I'm gonna choose an existing video. To do so, tap on the upload button at the bottom right corner. Select the video that you'd like to upload and tap on the next button at the bottom right. This is your video preview. From this page, you can add in a text of your choice on your TikTok video. Tap on the text button at the bottom of the screen and type in your caption. Once you're done, you can select the font type from the menu. Edit your caption by selecting the font and the color. After you are done with it, place the text somewhere that you'd want and tap on next at the bottom right corner. Add in a description to your video, mention your friends, or add in some of the hashtags, and finally tap on post at the bottom right corner. That is how you'll be able to add in a text on your TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.